some good ones. Alright, now I'm taking video. Yeah, it was.
Oh, I love that. I just want to touch it. I don't want to touch it. You know what I mean?
You really don't.
I know. Because I don't want to touch it. Because you know what I mean?
This is why I love coming here.
Oh, I love that song.
Ah,
You got that one?
on video.
Dude.